Welcome to Optech Mystic. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your Excel files with passwords. This is a crucial skill, especially if you're dealing with sensitive information or if you just want to keep your data secure. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to set a password for your Excel file and make sure only authorized users can access it. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is set a password for your Excel file. This will ensure that only people who know the password can open the file. To start, click on the File tab at the top left of your screen. In the menu that appears, select Info, which will take you to the file's information page. Here, you'll see an option labeled Protect Workbook. Click on it, and a list of options will appear. From that list, select Encrypt with Password. A pop-up window will appear asking you to enter your desired password. Be sure to choose something secure, but also something you can remember, as Excel will require you to confirm it by entering the password a second time. Once you've done this, your Excel file is now protected by that password, and no one can open it without it. Remember, choosing a strong password is key. It's a good idea to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make the password harder to guess. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily protect your Excel files with a password and keep your data safe from unauthorized access. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Optech Mystic for more helpful Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.